Hi YouTube, welcome to my page DIY with Rima. So the first item today that I will be using is the coconut oil, and I look crazy here, so I had to pause this just to be transparent. Yeah, so I was really nervous and the audio came out horrible, so I have no choice but to do a voiceover, so bear with me. Also, this is my first video, so as you can see, I don't measure the coconut oil. I just go ahead and pour it by eye, and I just put a little bit, but enough. And it's supposed to be hard, but since it's warm now, it's a little melted, which is okay, it's still good, so I'm gonna melt it anyway. You just see me trying to show you how crazy my hair is. You know, I use rosemary oil mixed with castor oil, and like I said before, I'm generous. I have a lot of hair, so I just go ahead and I put about like 3 to 4 drops, you could say. Yeah, just because I like the oil base, and it's so hydrating and it's so good for your hair, and it promotes the hair growth. So here I'm putting castor oil. I just pour that baby in, as you can see. But enough. I don't pour a lot. I pour just enough. And then the shea moisture, I do 100% coke. And I just came back and it's already warm, so basically I'm just pouring it on my head. You know, I'm gonna massage it into my scalp. It feels so good. Yeah, you just see me. Basically what I'm saying in the video is just, you know, make sure you get it all over, and don't worry about your roots. Focus more on your scalp, because you'll be able to bring it down, you know, when you brush it out. But now I'm just pouring that bad boy on my head. You just see me just rubbing. I'm flipping my head upside down, massaging my scalp with my fingertips, and I'm just doing circular motions just to circulate blood more, you know, blood. Honestly, I don't really know why, but I know it's good for you. And I know that's not enough, but it, you know, you can always Google why. So I'm here just, you know, on my Shaka Khan vibes. I know I look crazy, and I'm just being really transparent in the video, and you'll just hear me. Well, you can't hear me, but I'm trying to tell you how transparent I'm being, just letting my hair out, you know, looking crazy on camera. I have a whole afro going on here, you know. I got the earrings just to make myself feel better, but yeah, I'm coming to you natural, no makeup, eyebrows bushy. Okay, so yeah, you see me here just showing you how my hair is naturally curly. Yeah, my eyebrows, I'm talking about my eyebrows, and I'm making all these weird movements because I'm nervous. But yeah, that's what I was saying in the video. But yeah, I leave my hair to air dry for about however long, because I have a lot of hair. So it's about 80% dry. And I do that just so I don't apply that much heat. Also, I'm using the Matrix Skinny Queen Matrix Blowout Skinny Queen. Amazing, I swear by it. And that round brush, I have to get the name of it. I believe it's like Foxy Babe, but that's my blow dryer right there. I don't use a blow dryer, I just use that round brush, and it's obviously, it blows out heat, but it's amazing. Like, I wouldn't be flat ironing my hair if it wasn't summertime, because right now it's summertime, you know, my roots get hot or whatever, and then I get puffy roots. I don't like that, so I go over with the flat iron. That is the only reason. In the winter, I could go ahead and rock it, no problem. But yeah, so you just see me here just blow drying my hair. I'm just getting into it. And yeah, just basically I'm combing down my hair first before I start like going in with the blow dryer with the brush. And you can see, like, I'll just keep going over it and over it, and it's just to maintain the heat and to get the curls out. It's like my hair is very very curly. Don't get it twisted because you see them fine little curls. No, I don't know if you can see it in my roots. Like, I have a lot of hair. So yeah, I just keep going over it, and I'm thorough with it. And I'm trying to just show you how I just get it from the back, and I get as close as I can to the roots. But I'm not that crazy because I don't go that crazy, just because I know I'm gonna hit it with a flat iron. So yeah, I don't really do much. I just do this about like every other week. But yeah, you see me here now. I'm working the top of my head, and the way I work the hair on the top of my head is just basically I brush it upwards. Now I'm bringing it down just because I like volume on the top, so I'm brushing it the opposite direction, so when I do bring it back, it's gonna look more full. And you'll just see me going in with the brush. Basically, I just keep going, and I'm hitting my roots especially, just so you know, it's less work for me to do with the flat iron. So I'm just basically doing this so I don't have to keep going over it with the flat iron or put that much heat. I feel like this is much less heat. And look at that wave and flip. Like, yeah, see, that's like a real 80s hairstyle. You see me getting excited and feeling myself. But yeah, I get excited when my hair just looks good. Yeah, like you see, like there's a whole lot of volume. So when I do go over with the flat iron, I just make sure not to like really go that crazy, just because I still want the volume and I don't want it to be flat. Like, I don't like flat hair. And yeah, that's about it, guys. So please follow and subscribe. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any ideas on what you would like me to do. I do a bunch of stuff. This is why I'm creating this page. I just, I want to have a platform where I can show people the stuff I know and the things I can do. And I want to teach people. Just, why not? Why pay to go get your hair done? Especially, not that I'm trying to like diss hair salons, but some salons, especially for natural girls, like they put chemicals in their shampoos or conditioner just so it could be easier for them to do your hair, and that damages your hair in the long run. Like, especially if you don't do perms or stuff, and like you don't do perms or relaxers, and then they put some of that in your conditioner. Next time you wash your hair, you are bound to lose some hair. Your hair will thin out. So you have to learn how to manage your own hair. It's cheaper and it's the safest route, honestly. And yeah, you just see me going over it with the flat iron, but enjoy. Thank you.